guys, welcome back to Stocks End, where we talk about stocks, and yes, you got it, more stocks. Click the subscribe button down below, guys. Help the channel grow if you like, and comment, don't be shy. Links in the subscribe box down below. Join the Patreon link, guys. Ever-growing community over there, small community right now. We got a digital large cap fund in our investments in our crypto portfolio. We got our stocks investments going on there, guys, and we know what I'm buying, what I'm selling. I'm always going to tell you what I'm buying, what I'm selling, guys. And let's get into the video. We're going to do a market cap of where we are right now, and oh boy, it's been pretty much of a great bull run now we've been on. It's ongoing. And when I say bull run, just green days, guys. Right now it's a red day and the market is red. Okay. What we're looking at is Bitcoin at 60k, we're at the point now where we had the financial institutions in. We got banks, basically accepting Bitcoin on their portfolios for their clients, and we've been consolidating on a 60k now for the first quarter of this year, and it's fantastic consolidation. I'm just doing a chart here. Last month, the volatility level of Bitcoin right now is on an all-time low, and that's what we want. We want to see Bitcoin on a point where it is, consolidating, and the volatility associated with Bitcoin is on an all-time low. So we went up there to an all-time high of 64,000 we went on, and we're down 6% on that all-time high. So 2.7% down today. Guys, look, I'm so bullish on Bitcoin right now. It's something that I'm looking at breaking 70k by the end of Q2. So looking at maybe June, July, we're looking at 70k being broke. Could even be earlier than that. My issue with it being broken earlier than my trajectories is that it can, significantly fall off. 10% from there. We're talking about back down to maybe the early 63,000 from there, and we don't want to see Bitcoin on its all-time high jumping off that much, so to speak. We're on 2.7% down at the moment. Volume is looking normal trading volume, 72 million, excuse me. So yeah, the overall dominance of Bitcoin is at 50.46%. Global market cap is 2.2 billion. We're down off of 1% on that in the last 24 hours. Dominance there for Ethereum now is at 12%, and that's steady growth for Ethereum. Ethereum now had its hard fork, and the Berlin hard fork went in there in the past week. And the past week we've seen a 15% increase in Ethereum's price. Guys, going forward, Ethereum is good to go for over 5k by the end of Q2, and the end of that is going to be coming in around about June is the next upgrade. The gas fees went with the Berlin hard fork, and that was there on April 14. So we're on 2.3k right now, down 2.5%. And guys, when the market is red, you just need to look at Bitcoin, and that's why you need to have Bitcoin as your cash cow. Bitcoin is your savings account moving forward. If you look at it, guys, 10 years ago, people looking at the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, Financial Times for their news. Now people are looking at the news on Twitter, on Reddit, on Discord. That's the times we're in. Before, people will have their savings accounts in the banks and they're getting 0.00001%, and they're so happy with that 20 cents yearly. Right now where we are, we want that 20 cents within seconds, and then some on top of that. Of course, you can't be in a coin right now and get 20 cents profits. You're not going to be happy with that. But just that banking example, the Binance coin We're down on that, 4.2%. But guys, if we zoom out of that, we're looking at 30% for last week. We're looking at almost over 60% in the last 2 weeks. But the last month, you got your whole returns over 100%, guys. I'm so bullish on business right now, guys. I'm going to put a price point on him, and it's due diligence done. 750 by the start of Q3. We've ran up a lot in the last year. We ran up a lot in the last year, guys. Is it exhausted? Well, look, consolidation is always needed, guys. Consolidation is always needed because you cannot see something go up because it's going to crash down, guys. It's going to crash down. So 750 is my price point for Binance Coin. On now to the golden, the holy grail in XRP. Guys, I'm so bullish in XRP. We're down 8.4% in XRP in the last 24 hours. But guys, zoom out to the broader picture here. 50% returns in the last 7 days. You're talking about 180% in the last 2 weeks, and in the last month, 250%. Don't even go on further than that because the numbers are going to go more sky high. I'm just zooming on the charts here and my due diligence that I've done, and guys, I'm looking at a price point of $2.30 by the end of Q2, and that's with the bull run going in. Whether or not XRP is bullish itself, it's going to go up anyway. You know, let's just put it will go up anyway. But with the stage 1 bullish uptrend that is in, it broke out of a stage 5 there 4 months ago, and to get to the point where we're at right now. So guys, I'm so bullish on XRP. We're going to go to those all-time highs this year. When it will happen, it will happen, guys. It will happen. $3.40 will happen. And we just saw there we overtook Binance Coin there in the last 48 hours. We overtook them. We were a top 3 coin. We're top 4 coin right now, and significantly 72 billion market cap and 9 billion behind Binance. So, you know, not too bad. And as everything goes up, we'll close in on Ether. ADA, like, you're gonna have coins in that portfolio, guys, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA for me are a must in anyone's portfolio right now. ADA like 15% in the last 7 days. We're down actually 4.5%, but that's the picture I'm painting here. Alts are down on the back of Bitcoin being down. ADA, significant growth with them, as we all know. My price target for them by Q3, I'm looking at $2.70. Now that's with an uptrend bullish movement which they're on, and given the fact that the crypto market is breathing, consolidation is needed in anything. Even when you're putting flooring down in a house, guys, you need to put those gaps around the side of the floor to let that floor to breathe. So markets breathing is nothing wrong with that. And again, with the Coinbase listing, we got in over the Patreon. We got in not on the all-time highs that I was listed at, but we got in. We're happy to be in. We're in there long, and we will be upping our shares with Coinbase. Want to give something back to the crypto market. So anyone that's in crypto, I would definitely tell you to buy shares in Coinbase. Coinbase selling crypto on their platform, and then investors then buying the shares in the stock price. It's a win-win. Everyone is happy. So by Coinbase performing exponentially on the Nasdaq and being listed, hopefully within 2 years on the S&P 500, it will only help crypto long term. And you're going to get other exchanges then listing as well, which is the case. Let's go into another one that we have in the portfolio. Harmony One. Harmony One is getting some spotlight recently. We're down actually with Harmony One 8.9%. It's a huge consolidation with Harmony One actually, because we're down 20% from 18 cents. So guys, look, take what you want from it. Harmony One is a long-term hold for us. price point for them by Q3 is getting back to that all-time high, and then someone looking at 27-28 cents being the price target for Harmony One. Guys, there's a coin here, sports token, NFT, Chili's, guys, and I want to see that consolidation happen, which it did happen, guys. All the charts are green. However, let's just come out to the 1-1 chart. We were consolidating from around about 50 cents down to a low of 42 cents for 3 weeks. The consolidation period is over. We're out of stage 5 upward trend bullish movement, and we're up now in the last 24 hours 15% to 62 cents. I want by the weekend's over, I want to see Chili's on around about 65 cents. If we push back from here, I really do see, if we don't hold the position we're on right now, which is we can come back to 52, 53 cents by a Monday. And we don't want to see that the up and down kind of moving, because if you come out to the 2-week chart, that's what you're seeing. You're seeing the up and then you're going to go down. We don't want to see that, which is we want to see some good consolidation to get back to that all-time high which we saw a month ago. And guys, it was only a month ago with Chili's. It's a long-term hold, guys. And as more and more deals are being put out, we're up like in the last month with Chili's 25%, but in the last 2 weeks we're up 27%, and in the last 7 days we're up 30%. So guys, Chili's is a long-term hold. I already said it to you already. 62 cents right now. It's a win-win. And the last coin I will talk about, and there's no reasons why I'm talking about these particular coins, but I wanted to talk about them, is Ravencoin. Well, what's the situation with Ravencoin? I'm being asked. You're not putting out any more videos on Ravencoin. Ravencoin that really hasn't done much in the 3 months that we last spoke about it. We're focusing on the last month here, and a stage 5 uptrend bullish movement we're on with Ravencoin. Consolidation occurred around about 20th of March to around about the 15th 13th of April, and that consolidation was between 18 and 20 cents. We've broken that in the last 7 days. We've broken that. Where we're at right now is 20 cents. I want to see it hold there on 20 cents. Right now, if you look at it, 20 cents has only broken in the last 48 hours. There's not enough period and not enough trajectory there for me to work with, other than zooming out to the 7-day chart and looking at my notes on it. Consolidation period over, as I said, on the 15th of April. We are now just 24 hours into this price action. A lot of investors in Ravencoin are bumping and jumping right now, and I'm saying let's take the consolidation between the 20 and 22 cents going forward. So if we can hold for the next 2 weeks around about 20 cents, I want to see Ravencoin on by the start of Q3 on 28, 29 cents, getting ready for the 85 cents target. And for me, the 85 cents target is within reach, because if you come out there to the 60-day chart, 207% growth. I can see that 207% growth occurring in Q3, Q4 of this year. But I have to see consolidation of a stage 2 uptrend bullish movement between 20 and 22 cents, as I have seen in the last month. As I've mentioned there, from the 20th of March till the 14th of April, I've seen the consolidation there between 20 and 18 cents. Guys, all the coins I've spoken about there are on the portfolio. They are a hold. You're going to see those red days, you're going to see those green days. But when those red days come, you want to be in a zone. And for me, the blue zone for Ravencoin is the 20 cents mark. The blue zone for Chili's is the 65 cent mark. The blue zone for Harmony One is getting back to 18 cents and making that a plateau. Bitcoin, Ethereum, AD8 will take care of itself. XRP, the zone they're in right now, is a blue zone. So between 160 and 190 is a zone that they're in. If they can hold that and not push back to 140, we're doing good. If we go back to 140, I can actually see 120 occurring. Guys, hope you like this video, guys. In-depth analysis as always. The market update every Friday is going on right now, moving forward. And guys, link in the description box down below, refer links there, work ahead with it. Join the Patreon, guys, it's well worth it. And guys, let's make